Welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a little snippet into our visit to La Paz Waterfall Gardens in Costa Rica. We booked a tour for our visit to La Paz, so there was a driver that picked us up in San Jose and then drove us here and kind of directed us along the way. So initially we got there and he said, okay, go explore this part and then I'll meet you at the place for lunch. And then after lunch, he said, okay, go explore this part some more and then I'll take you on the tour to see the waterfalls. So that's what we did. Oh, look right here. Can you see the duck? What sound does the duck make there? Maddie, what do you think? Do we just keep going down, you think? It feels like we do. Okay. Whoa. No yelling. The restaurant for lunch was a buffet and it had a really good variety of options available. Jackson, where are you going? This is really where it started getting rough. Jackson was ready for a nap, but we had to walk down all of these stairs to get to see the waterfalls. So he was crying, I was carrying him, I was trying to record. It was rough. There are 5 waterfalls at La Paz. We only saw 2 of them. It was a lot of walking and hiking, which was a little rough with the kids. The stairs were really steep. Maddie kind of wanted to run. Jackson wanted to be carried. So there was a lot of anxiety going on with that. But we got to see 2. And one of the good things is when you get down, you can take a bus back up to the main area. So, you know, that's kind of a little bit of a reward, not having to walk all the way back up. Overall, we really enjoyed our time at La Paz. There were great animals to see, and the waterfalls were really nice to see as well. I think that we would definitely return, most likely when the kids are a little bit older and more comfortable walking for longer amounts of time, so that we could all kind of get to enjoy and really see everything. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments if you visited La Paz and what your experience was like. As always, we ask you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.